Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to give you another book inspired craft video. Alright, so on this last craft we were inspired by this page right here. So what you're going to do is get some water bottles. We got 3 and you're just going to cut the bottom of the water bottle. You're going to have your child paint it and you're going to assemble it just the way I'm showing you right here. And I just love this activity for kids because water bottles are fun to paint and it holds the paint pretty well, contrary to what y'all might believe it does. So we're gonna go ahead and let that dry, and we're gonna paint this plate blue, and we're gonna add a little glue, and we painted a half a plate brown. So all you do is you just press it on like you see I'm doing here, and then you can use a straw, popsicle sticks, that's what I'm using, or anything for the stem that you have around the house that'll be a stem. And I have some construction paper for the leaves, and then all I'm going to do is cut a little slit into this. It cuts very easy. It's plastic. Be careful, y'all, don't cut your fingers. So I'm gonna do a little slit there and do a little one so it's nice and tight, snug fit. Okay, don't make a big slit because then it's gonna, because if you do a tight one like me, look, I don't even need any glue to hold it. I just stuck it in and it has a nice snug fit, and then the flower is done. Ta-da! So easy! And I also love this activity because flowers are very healing to the soul. Just flowers just make everything better. So definitely try this activity with your kids at home. This was a lot of fun and it turned out so cute! Yeah, I didn't glue it down, but look, it's stuck. You can just glue your flowers down and it'll stay in there. And if you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So if you like that type of stuff, make sure you hit that like button, and then after you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so therefore you can be a part of my creative army and get all of the creative ideas for kids crafts that I have on this page for you. Okay, you're gonna love your stay. If you are new, welcome to the channel. Okay, so guys, you are just going to love this touching, beautiful story by Miss Amanda Lynch. And this book today is called A Million Little Stars, illustrated by Bonnie Lemire. This book was written for bereaved children and showing them how to walk through the grief of losing a loved one. Now, I'll tell you